When it comes to dashboard filters, admins have the option to set a global setting for all users of the dashboard to see. Go into the filters in the top right-hand corner and add or edit any pre-existing filters. You have the option to change the label of a filter to make it more user-friendly. To edit any pre-existing filters, select the Edit button here. And be sure to press Save when you make any changes to a filter. Once the fields to the filters are added, the admin or dashboard creator can now save the newly created filter configuration as a global setting by selecting this Admin Save button. So now this will be the default view when users first enter the dashboard, so that the state is filtered to California and Oregon, and the last login day was the last 90 days. Now we're in the user view of the dashboard. If the user wants to add more filters to this dashboard, they can go ahead and do that. And apply filters as usual. But if they want to reset back to the global settings that the admin created, you can go back into filters and then select this reset button. And now we're back to the default view that the admin created in the previous step.